Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Compressor on macOS for efficient YouTube compression, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Mac and locate the Finder application. In the Finder, navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Compressor application within the Applications folder. Double-click the Compressor icon to launch the program. If this is your first time opening Compressor, a prompt will appear asking for authorization. You will need to sign in with your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password in the fields provided. After logging in, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once authorized, you will see your Compressor dashboard. To start compressing videos for YouTube, first import your video file. Click on the Add File button located in the top left corner of the interface. Choose the video file you want to compress from your computer. After the file is uploaded, select the project settings for YouTube. Look for the YouTube preset options in the settings menu. Choose the appropriate resolution and quality that fits your needs. Now, adjust any additional settings, such as bitrate or frame rate if necessary. Once your settings are confirmed, click on the Submit button. Select the destination where you would like to save the compressed file. After a few moments, the compression process will begin. Once completed, navigate to the chosen folder to find your newly compressed video. You're now ready to upload your video to YouTube. This concludes the authorization and compression process in Compressor on macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.